No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named
Slick back.
Nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp named Slick.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Juliana Sayurani. Sometimes nervous, sometimes embarrassed, sometimes it's hard to talk.
And here I will present a seminar thesis proposal with the title The Influence Teaching Strategies on Student Motivation to Learn English. Okay, case study of class 11 student Trawas 1 State High School. Chapter 1, Background of Study. Lawson in Sarit 2080 described teaching strategy as a broad plan for a lesson that includes on how to organize student behavior in relation to objective and interaction, as well as the description of the plan method that will be used to implement the strategy. The teaching strategies consist of method and teach that is going to ensure that students when teaching to help students to understand more about the material they learned. Besides helping students to be more motivated in their learning, using certain strategies also help the student and teacher to achieve the learning objective. Statement. Number 1. How does the use of active teaching strategies such as project-based learning or group discussion influence student motivation in learning English at the senior high school? Number 2. What is the impact of implementing technology in English teaching, such as the use of learning application of student motivation level in class? And then the objective of the study. Number 1. To measuring the level of student intrinsic motivation in learning English after being exposed to project-based learning strategies or group discussion. Number 2. To analyze change in student participation level after the implementation of technology in English teaching, such as the use of application. The benefit of the study. The results of this study are expected to provide some important contribution to the result. Number 1. For teacher, as an informational material effort to increase student learning, motivation, and evaluation material and true for English teacher. Number 2. For school, as a contribution of true to problem related to English teacher, strategies to improve student learning motivation at senior high school 1 Trawas. Chapter 2. Literature review. Theoretical description. Definition of strategy. The word strategy comes from the word strategis, unity or strategius. It is a combination of stratos or soldiers and egos or leader, and strategy has a basis or scheme to achieve the intended goal. So basically, strategy is a tool to achieve the goal. Definition of student motivation. The word motivation is often referred to as the word motive, which means the force that drives a person to do something. Motive can be interpreted as a mover from within the subject to carry out certainly activities in order to achieve the goal. Supporting factor of student motivation. Some of the elements that affect motivation and learning. Number 1. The aspiration of the student. Number 2. Student ability. Number 3. Student condition. And number 4. The condition of the student in environment. Chapter 3. Research method. A. Research design. Qualitative research methods have become a scientific tradition used in research in the field of science, especially the social science, culture, psychology, and education. Qualitative research in research that analytical procedure that do not use statistical analysis procedure or other quantification method. Hernandez, Sampieri, Roberto, 2014. B. Research setting. Number 1. Place of the research. Researchers are located in Senior High School 1 Trawas, Jolotundo. Number 2. Penanggungan, Kecamatan Trawas, Kabupaten Mojokerto, Provinsi East Java. Then the location of the school is strategic and close to the residential area. The choice of location is motivated by certain consideration. The reason the researcher chose this location was because the location of Senior High School 1 Trawas was easy for researchers to access, could be researched quickly and usually so that the research could be carried out smoothly. Number 2. Time of research. The study will be conducted in the first semester of academic year of 2020-30 and 2024. C. Research subject. Research subject is a term used in qualitative research. Here the researcher will take on one English teacher and 33 students of 11-5 Senior High School 1 Trawas as research subject. To obtain representative information, researcher will use purpose sampling technique. D. Data and source of the data. Number 1. Data. The person who is the data source will be able to provide data in the form of verbal answers through interviews. What will be the data source in this research? Class 11-5 student of Senior High School 1 Trawas. This research will take the form of opinion from research interviews, result of individual or group research subject of an observation. Number 2. Source of the data. Number 1. Source person. Number 2. Activities. Number 3. Place or location. A. Research instrument. In qualitative research, the key research instrument is researcher because the researcher himself collects the data. In addition, data in qualitative research is subjective. Here, researcher will use several supporting instruments in collecting data such as cell phones and notes. Apart from that, researcher will also use interview guidelines.